बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I have already recited फरमान खुदा फरिश्तों से, which is the second part of the poem फरिश्तों की दुआ from the book Bali Jibreel of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Here I am going to give a small explanation and an easy translation to have better understanding of this poem. उठो मेरी दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, काखे उम्रा के दरो दीवार हिला दो. God is saying to the angels, उठो, rise, मेरी दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, and wake the poor ones of my world up from their sleeps. काखे उम्रा के दरो दीवार हिला दो, and shake the walls and windows of the rulers and leaders. गरमाओ गुलामों का लहू सोज़े यकीन से, कुंजुश के फर्व माया को शाही से लड़ा दो. गरमाओ गुलामों का लहू सोज़े यकीन से. Stir up the blood of slaves with the fire of faith. सोज़े यकीन से. कुंजुश के फर्व माया को शाही से लड़ा दो. And make the fearful sparrow bold enough to face the falcon. सुल्तानिय जमहूर का आता है ज़माना, जो नक्शे कहन तुमको नज़र आए मिटा दो. सुल्तानिय जमहूर, रूलिंग इन द हैंड्स ऑफ पुअर का आता है ज़माना. द टाइम ऑफ रूलिंग इन द हैंड ऑफ पुअर इज़ क्लोज, इज़ अबाउट टू कम. जो नक्शे कहन तुमको नज़र आए मिटा दो. फाइंड द every imprint of the past and remove it and annihilate it. The second couplet of second line of this couplet, जो नक्शे कोहन तुमको नजर आए मिटा दो, was different while Iqbal first wrote this poem. That was like बाकी हैं कुछ आसार मलूकी के मिटा दो. But later on, when he was going to going to publish this book, so at that time he changed it to जो नक्शे को हम तुमको नजर आए मिटा दो, which is surely more suitable, looks more beautiful. जिस खेत से दहकां को मुयस्सर नहीं रोजी, उस खेत के हर खोशाए गंदुम को जला दो. The field whose harvesting doesn't provide bread to the farmer, उस खेत के हर खोशाए गंदुम को जला दो. Burn every ripening ear of wheat from that farm. This is Iqbal in his youth. Very aggressive, very to do something. And if something is not giving any result, destroy it. Don't compromise with the things. It is same Iqbal which says that सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Again very nationalist. All other, my land is better than all other world. But later on, when we see in the last years of Iqbal's life, he is very compromising, he is very peaceful when he says Cheen hamara arb hamara. So this is also the changing in the Iqbal's thought while with the time. So this is very symbol of youth, that instead of something is better than nothing, it is nothing is better than something. We should have complete. जिस खेत से दहकां को मुयस्सर नहीं रोजी, उस खेत के हर खोशाए गंदुम को जला दो. क्यों खाल को मखलूक में हायल रहें पर्दे, पीराने कलीसा को कलीसा से उठा दो. क्यों खाल को मखलूक में हायल रहें पर्दे. There shouldn't be veils between creator and creation. पीराने कलीसा को कलीसा से उठा दो. Expel the priests from the house of God, whose prayer have created this gap between creator and creation. हकरा बसजूदे सनमारा बतवाफे, बेहतर है चरागे हरमो दैर बुझा दो. हकरा बसजूदे, God is by prostration. Sanmara batawafe, and by men's promises are idol cheated. Behtar hai charage haramo dair bujha do. It will be better to quench the lamps of shrines and haram. मैं ना खुश बेजार हूँ मरमर की सेलों से, मेरे लिए मट्टी का हरम और बना दो. Here God is saying to his angels that I am very unhappy with these decorated worship places. These houses in which people come to pray, which are made of marble and stones. For me, made another temple, made another harm, which is made of mud, in which followers are like Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman, in which followers are those who are with faith. There shouldn't be, I don't need decorated places, I need faithful people only. So, मैं ना खुश बेजार हूँ मरमर की सीलों से, मेरे लिए मट्टी का हरम और बना दो. तहजीब नबी कारगहे शीशा गरा है, आदाब जनू शायर मशरिक को सिखा दो. तहजीब नबी, दिस न्यू सिविलाइजेशन. कारगहे शीशा गरा है, इस वर्कशॉप शीशा गरा filled with brittle glass. तहजीब नबी कारगहे शीशा गरा है. This new civilization is workshop filled with brittle glass. आदाब जनू शायर मशरिक को सिखा दो. Go and teach the manners of madness to my poet of the east, which is actually Allama Muhammad Iqbal here. Adab Janu, here is the word of Junu, and then it is also using the word of Adab. You know, madness has no manners. Madness have no Adab. This is very beautiful. Junu is not common like common madness. Junu, in another, somewhere else, Iqbal has explained that खिर्द की गुत्थियाँ सुलझा चुका हूँ मैं, मेरे मौला मुझे साहिब जुनू करते हैं. Means I have resolved all the problems, all the things of this khird, this intelligence. Now made me mad. Means this Junu is a stage after the stage of knowing everything. After the stage of solving all the problems of intellectuality, all the problems of intelligence. After solving, the next stage is Junun. Because somewhere I have read, maybe Wasif Ali Wasif has written that where जहाँ पर साहिब अकल की हद है, वहाँ से साहिब जुनू की सरहद शुरू होती है. Which simply means that after the place at which Ahle Khird, an intelligent person, stops, after that there are people who are getting the stage of Junun, madness. This madness is not common madness. I just want to tell this thing here. Adab Junun, so Shair Mashriq ko sikha do. And we know that a Junun in madness, if you are in glass work or in a place where everything is made of very brittle glass, mad people can easily break everything. So here God Iqbal is saying that Adab Janu Shair Mashriq ko sikha do. With these adab, with these manners, with this manner of madness, he may break the spell of Western civilization, this new civilization. And we see Iqbal have done in everywhere in his poetry. खीरा न कर सका मुझे जलवाए दानशिब फरंग, सुरमा था मेरी आँख का खाके मदीना और नजफ. And everywhere where we go and we see Iqbal's poetry, so he is breaking this spell, he is breaking this glass work with his poetry, which is a symbol of Junoon for him, and he is giving this idea of getting rid of this new civilization.